Hello. A father and his son were riding on a train. Suddenly, the son shouted, "My dad! Look, the trees are going backward." The dad smiled and did not say anything. Few minutes pass, then the son shouts again, "Dad, look at the clouds. They are chasing us." The dad smiled again and didn't say anything. The passengers were upset. One of the passengers came to the dad and whispered in his ear, "Why don't you take your son to a specialist or a doctor?" The dad responded to the passenger, "We have just came from the hospital. My son was blind, and now he sees." The moral lesson of the story: everyone is fighting his own battle, and everyone has a story. Don't judge on people's behavior before you know their story. Thank you very much.